school at a very young age with not many GCSEs and started buying and selling commercial vehicles. Started off just changing wheels on transit vans to what we do today, which is complete facelifts and body styling for same transit vans. The Ford side of it really was created when the Transit Custom came out. We just thought it was a really cool little van, and there was no one in the Ford customisation market, so we went off and built a van. Somebody under the arches, his primary thought would be this has to look good. Our primary thought is it has to be engineered right and behave within the characteristics of the original parts, but also look good. So our focus was very much engineering as opposed to aesthetics. Ford turned around and said there is a gap for this, and we understand that we have to communicate how to engineer things properly to our standards. So Ford would cascade down the knowledge to us, and it was up to us to use that knowledge correctly in the designs. The feel of the vehicle is more of a big car, and I think that's one of the real big pluses. The interior of the vehicle is a nice place to be, and it does what you want it to do. And what we do now is just put a bit of a sportier twist on it for the guy who just wants to stand out a little bit more than his competitor. Makes it the backbone of Britain is it's reliable, it's good on fuel, it's a nice driving truck. The relationship's good with Ford. It's matured very well over the years. We're very respectful of the knowledge we get from Ford, and equally I think Ford respect the work that we can do in the time frame that we can do it. We do have to evolve with them. We're starting to take the brand into different areas that we think our customer base wants. It's growing nicely. It's a good relationship. I feel really good when I see a vehicle. It's nice when the kids spot one in the car. They say, oh look, it's one of your vans, and so you have a quick look, It's kind of fun on a long journey, you see how many you can count. So yeah, it's a nice feeling when you're seeing them on the road.